Alright guys, and welcome back with the second Honda VT250. This one is an 83 model, and today we're going to be trying to get this thing running, which obviously straight off the bat isn't going to be very easy because I don't think I have a key, and both of the carburetor slides are dead seized. So I'll have to free them up, see if the motor spins over, see if I can get it to turn on the starter motor, and see what we can make out of it. But nonetheless, let's get straight into it. Right, as you would have just seen, this thing fires off. So I'm going to chuck the fuel tank off this bike, which is currently in the stages of disassembly. That one will probably soon as well, and we'll build them up at the same time. But I'm going to chuck the fuel tank that was off this on this bike and see if I can get it to run for a little bit longer, start and idle on its own, just to see the general condition of everything. Can't hear any bad noises as of yet, so that's all promising. Everything seems to be all right. So I am calling that a big success. This thing runs awesome for a 250. Considering there's 63,500 Ks on it, you would not notice it. This motor runs like it is pretty much new. Obviously it does need a bit of a tune up, bit of a clean up, just to get it running that little bit more perfect, and it obviously does need the same thing as that bike, a aesthetic cleanup, that radiator fixed, all the problems fixed, you know, brakes rebuilt, clutch rebuilt, all that kind of thing, but that is on the way. So if you've enjoyed watching this thing absolutely roar to life and tearing it along, be sure to watch the video where I build up these two twin V twins. Next time it'll be a side-by-side time lapse build up of these, making them look pretty once again. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time.